In today's video, you will learn how to do a map line animation in CapCut PC. To begin, drag a default text layer onto your timeline. This text layer will act as the base for your map line animation. Once it is placed, extend the duration of the text clip to match the length of your intended animation. This ensures that the line remains visible throughout the movement. Next, go into the basic text settings and modify the text by adding several dashes in a row. These dashes will visually represent the line that will later be animated across the screen. After creating the dashed line, increase its size so it is clearly visible and adjust the color to match your project style or map design. You can choose any color depending on whether you want a subtle or more highlighted effect. Once the visual style is set, scroll down in the text settings until you find the curve option and activate it. The curve tool allows you to bend and shape the dashed line, so it can follow natural routes or directional paths, similar to how a real map line would look. Adjust the curve strength using the slider until the line matches the direction you want to show. This step is important because it defines the flow and shape of the animation. After shaping the line, move to the animation section and select Type 2. This animation will make the line appear as if it is drawing itself across the screen from one direction to another. Finally, adjust the duration of the animation to control how fast or slow the line is revealed. A longer duration creates a smoother, more cinematic effect, while a shorter one feels quicker and more dynamic. And that is how to create map line animation in CapCut PC using text, curve adjustments, and wipe animation for smooth directional visuals.